Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat mange in dogs. Is your loyal companion constantly scratching himself, leading to angry red ball patches with sores or scab on his skin? These signs indicate that your beloved pet may be suffering from mange. Mange is a skin infection or disease often seen in companion canines. It's caused by external parasites like mites, some of which are naturally found on dog skin. Mange can often lead to secondary bacterial infections on the skin. Therefore, as soon you notice any of these symptoms, take your pet to the vet for an exam and to get skin scraping analyzed to determine both the presence and breed of the mange-causing mites. Mange usually affects a dog's ears, elbows, face, and legs, but it can also spread to the rest of the body. You should take immediate steps to treat your dog. While it is best to follow the treatment recommended by your vet, there are 6 methods that can be used to treat mange in dogs. Home remedy number 1, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar eliminates mange-causing mites and also helps reduce mange symptoms like redness and itching. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts of water and raw organic apple cider vinegar. Spray it on your dog's affected skin. Do this 2 or 3 times a week. Home remedy number 2, Listerine and baby oil. Listerine mouthwash contains herbal oil that have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of Listerine mouthwash into a jug. Add 1 tablespoon each of baby oil and water. Use a small whisk to blend the ingredients thoroughly. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Shake well and spray it on the area affected by mange twice daily. Home remedy number 3, sulfur powder. Sulfur is a natural mineral that has strong antiseptic properties to treat mange in dogs. Prepare a hot bath for your pet by mixing equal parts boiled water and tap water. Start bathing your dog with this water. Work the sulfur powder all over your dog until he is covered in foam. Keep him like this for 30 minutes to allow the sulfur powder to work. Rinse your dog with ice water. Let your dog shake himself dry. Home remedy number 4, diatomaceous earth. Food grade diatomaceous earth can be applied to your pet's coat to eradicate ticks and mites. Brush your dog, cleaning him fur and skin thoroughly. Apply food grade diatomaceous earth on your dog's coat. Brush and rub it deep into the fur. This is required to ensure its action against the mites. Do this once a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Home remedy number 5, benzoyl peroxide shampoo. Benzoyl peroxide shampoo, often called mange shampoo, is an extremely effective deep cleaning shampoo with antibacterial properties. Use benzoyl peroxide shampoo to thoroughly clean your dog's coat and skin. Shampoo your pet with it once daily for 1 to 2 weeks until the mange is completely gone. Home remedy number 6, hydrogen peroxide. While it is best to follow the treatment recommended by your vet to treat mange in dogs, pour 1 cup of water into a jug. Add half cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Add 2 teaspoons of borax and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Rinse your dog with this solution, even the areas not affected by mange. Make sure to thoroughly cleanse your dog's skin and fur. Wash your dog with this solution 2 or 3 times a day.